With the conditional formats, we have many possibilities. We have seen that we can tell that those values that are lower than a certain quantity, it should highlight them in red. We can also apply these that give us a kind of thermometer with the length of the bars depending on the value they have. Or we even have sets of icons that we can apply and which are very striking. What is important is to know that, well, I can apply it, that it is illogical to apply more than one single format, but it is interesting to know that we can always remove some of the rules that we have applied. We could have the sheet full of this kind of rules. So, remove the rules of a certain range, we select another range and we take off the rules that are applied to this range or remove the selected cells because I want to highlight these values in just some of them. We can do this way, or remove the entire sheet, or those of a range that I select. This is important to be aware of because it is possible that with the use of excessive formats, ultimately I might make the information more complicated to read and counterproductive in terms of the effect that I want to achieve.